Hello everyone. Another chess puzzle I'm going to share with you. The king is here. A pawn block. This block for promotion, like that direction. The white one, the king is here. A pawn, one rook, and one knight. White first to move and achieve a victory. Can you find that solution? So let's think about it and return back after that. All right, let's start. The king is here and the pawn for promotion cannot move his rook here because there is a king will capture. So we try some variation for that. Rook c6 and then become a queen. Now the black answer, queen. Then he made a check here, check. b8, check again. So, of course, the white will win on that. Takes rook and then knight takes queen. So, easily move forward his pawn. So, return back to the position. Rook a6, become a queen. He made a check here, check. b8, then check. How about it? He didn't capture his rook. He moved on a8. Then rook takes queen. So that is a draw. Is not the solution. Return back to the position. How about this move? He made a check here, check. Cannot go here and here, so king b8. Then rook c3. Become a queen now. Now he make a check here. Knight d7 check. Cannot move on here. So he move here. There is a check here, check. Queen takes rook. So this is the right move. It's a double check. Can catch his queen and easily move the pawn. Return back to the position. Now we are going to the right move. Knight b6, check. King b8. Rook c3 is the right move. Then he become a queen now. The right move is knight d7, check. Going here. Now rook, he make a check here, check. Then queen takes rook. And there is a double check here, check. So can catch the queen, easily move, become a queen. So that is the right move. Thank you for watching.